how to sync Snapchat to Google Photos. So if you want to sync Snapchat to Google Photos, then what you need to do is, first of all, you need to open up your Snapchat application and then go with the memories section, or just simply go with the profile, which will be in the top left. From your profile, you need to go with settings, which will be in the top right, and under settings, you need to scroll down and you will find an option of memories. You need to go with privacy control, where you'll find the memories option. Tap on memories, and here you will have save button. So you need to go with the save button and make sure that you've saved to memories and camera roll as well. Once you've selected that, now you can go back and then open up your Google Photos. Once you tap on your Google Photos, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right, and then tap on backup and then turn on your backup. Once you turn it on, go with settings, which will be in the top right, and then scroll down a bit, and here you will find an option of Snapchat. You can go and turn on the backup and then scroll down a bit, go with backup options, tap on default backup, then go with device folders, and here you need to select Snapchat folder. Once you've selected, you need to go with save and backup, which will be at the bottom. And that's it. That's how you can sync your Snapchat to your Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.